video. So today I'm actually gonna do I'm gonna actually do like a tryout kind of thing for this makeup. Well, it's not a makeup kind of thing. So I thought today I'm just gonna do a Tarte, just try out this product right here. This is called a Tarte Forest at the Sea Deep Doe Clean Gel and stuff. It says it's for best result massage cleaner and into wet skin for like 30 to 60 seconds and rest and pat dry. I got this from Sephora, which you guys know that because you guys see me do that for my other video, and I thought, you know what, it's a good idea just me do this for you guys so you guys don't miss any of my new videos every single 5 days a week. And also, don't forget, all you guys to do is like from now on, all you guys to do is like pause the video, like right now, like pause the video, and then also don't forget to subscribe down below. It's like right at the very bottom of the description box right down below. And then also don't forget to turn on notifications now that you're part of my quad family. And further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is every time I wash my face, I always put this on. I'm using my green one, so I just put this over my head, and then I just really make sure it doesn't get right into my face because I hate like anytime I wash my face, I hate that. So the first thing I'm gonna put you guys over here, that way you guys can actually see me what I'm doing and stuff. So the first thing I'm gonna do is so it says you have to best results in a massage cleaner and wet and skin for 30 to 60 seconds and rinse and pat dry. That is for this right here. So I have my towel with me, and then I always do is like I'm gonna actually wash my face like this with, I always put like this and wet it, and that way it can actually wash your face. So I'm gonna like open this up, and I'm gonna use 3 pumps. I just like gently like this, and I'm just gonna, you guys, it's like, I don't know, it smells really good. And you're actually massaging this, so you like wash it for like 30 seconds. And then you can count this like in your head, or you can count ABCs or whatever, how you guys want to do this. And then make sure you get this on your neck. So now, make sure you open your eyes, and then it says you have to pat it. So I'm just tapping it like this on my face, and also like making sure you get everything like you wash your face on, like this. That would make sure you get everything off your face. Whoa! Okay, you guys, it doesn't. Okay, guys. Oh my gosh, like you guys, like after I wash my face, it really makes my skin like actually refreshing. Like I think, you guys, like honestly, it's a big hit. It's a big hit, like honestly. I would definitely recommend this for you guys because you guys will actually like this a lot. And this is actually perfect for like rinsing your makeup and everything. Or you can actually use this. Like you can use either one. So I think for me it's a yes. So yeah, you guys should definitely like comment down below on my channel if you guys actually like this, or put a big thumbs up if you guys actually enjoy this video, and I will see you guys on Monday. Bye guys. And also don't forget to subscribe down below because that will mean a lot to me, because I will actually definitely put that I'll definitely put my link down below and other links down below also as well. That way you guys don't miss any. That way you guys actually can subscribe on all those. So anyway guys, thank you guys so much for subscribing. Thank you guys so much for subscribing on my channel. It really means a lot to me. And also comment down below if you guys want to see what's next, or whatever you guys want me to see, you guys want me to do. Like if you guys want me to do a kids challenge, a Dollar Tree challenge again, or other kind of makeups you guys want me to do someday in the future. Or yeah, so alright guys, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.